Go to the center of the sightseeing lounge car and downstairs for service. This morning in the lounge car, we're featuring a hot breakfast sandwich, sausage, egg, cheese, served on an English muffin. We also have bagel and cream cheese, cinnamon rolls, blueberry muffins, a variety of juice, cranberry, apple, and orange. We also serve hot coffee, hot tea, and hot cocoa. For those passengers who do not desire breakfast items for breakfast, we do serve lunch items in the lounge car at this time. We also accept all major credit cards and debit cards. Once again, welcome aboard. Sit back, relax, enjoy your trip with Amtrak. Lounge car is open. Center of the car. And downstairs for service. Service in the lounge car is on the lower level. Once again, welcome aboard and thank you.
Gracias.